Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an internal funds transfer using the SouthEast Bank mobile app. First, you'll click Transfer at the bottom of your screen. Next, you click the account that you want to transfer money from, and then you click the account that you want to transfer the money into. Next, you do the amount you wish to transfer. And after that, you can select your frequency. Do you want this to be a one-time transfer, or do you want this to be something that repeats? Next, you do the transfer date, and you can finish up with an optional memo. This could be something like internal transfer for groceries or whatever you prefer. Once everything looks good, you finish up by clicking Transfer Funds. If you have any questions, please contact our customer care center. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you how to complete an internal funds transfer with SouthEast Bank online banking. First thing you're going to do is click this Pay Bills and Transfer dropdown, and then click Funds Transfer. Once this loads, you'll select the account you want to transfer money from, and then select the SouthEast Bank account that you want to transfer the money into. From here, you will type in the amount of money you want to transfer. So we will do 10 cents. And then the frequency, so you can do one time, first of the month, last day of the month, and then your transfer date. The last thing you can do is add a memo. So for example, you could do internal transfer for groceries. And lastly, you just click Transfer Funds. If you have any questions, please reach out to our customer care center.